Great for new tattoos. H2Ocean blue-green foam soap cleanses skin on and around new tattoos, and the addition of aloe vera aids the healing process. Green soap replacement. Use this foam soap as a no-rinse replacement for tattoo green soaps, which are known to be harmful for tattoo healing. Alcohol, fragrance, dye-free. This product does not use any alcohol, fragrances, or artificial colors that might dry out your skin and cause irritation. Instead, it uses benzalkonium chloride, which is a pharmaceutical-grade cleaner and preservative. Sea salt, not table salt. Nutrient-rich sea salt from the Red Sea is a key ingredient in H2Ocean products. Others use saline table salt, but H2Ocean's patented sea salt solutions contain over 82 trace minerals that are essential for healing. The original one, H2Ocean, has been committed to producing all-natural sea salt-based tattoo and piercing aftercare products that are 100% guaranteed to satisfy since 2001, all made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Great for tattoos. I got this for a large thigh tattoo. During healing, I washed it with tattoo goo in the shower each morning, then used this at night before bed. It's great to have something that I don't need to be in the shower to use on a large area. I wash my hands with Dial antibacterial and then use this nightly. Once fully dry, you can use lotion or other stuff on your tattoo. The only negative is that it does leave a slightly sticky residue on your skin, but this didn't interfere with my tattoo in any way.